Friends, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with motion, problems on speed, part 3. Check the description box for part 1, part 2. Here is the third question. What is the distance covered by a bus in 2 hours when it is moving at the average speed of 40 km per hour? Here, let's understand the question first. There is a bus and it is going to travel with a speed of 40 km per hour. It is the average speed which it has traveled for 40 km per hour, and it has traveled for 2 hours. With this speed, it has traveled for 2 hours, right? This bus has traveled a particular distance. The distance we need to find it out. A particular distance with average speed 40 km per hour in 2 hours. And what is the distance that it has covered? I hope you understood the question clearly, right? Let's write the given data first. Time taken is 2 hours, right? And the average speed of the bus traveled is 40 km per hour. And distance is equal to how much distance did it travel? As I said, you need to remember the average speed formula. If you remember this one formula, you can get any. If they are asking to find the distance, it is very easy to get from this formula itself. Here, what we need to find it out from this, we need to find out the distance, right? So keep the distance as it is, right? And get this total time taken on the either side of the equal to. We need to find out this distance. So let it be on the same line, on the same position, uh, and this should be alone. This distance should be alone on the either side of the equal to, on one side of the equal to, and get this total time on the other side. Say, as I said you, it is what is the sign between them, between this distance and time? It's division, right? So whenever division goes on the either side of the equal to, it becomes multiplication. That means average speed into time taken is equal to distance covered. So from this formula itself, you can derive this formula. So the main thing you to remember is, you need to just remember this average speed formula. Is it clear, children? Now you can just substitute the values in this. That is, what is average speed? Average speed is 40 km per hour. And what is time taken? 2 hour. So 2 hour. That is 40 into 2 will be 8 kilometer it has traveled. The bus has traveled 80 kilometer. Now, how did I got this kilometer? But here it is having kilometer per hour and hour, right? But how did we got a kilometer? Here is the solution for that. See, what we have done here, we have multiplied this average speed with the time, right? So what is the average speed? This is 40. What is the value for, what is the, sorry, SI unit for that? Kilometer per hour. I have written that into 2 hour time. What is this 2 hour, right? So hour also I have placed over here. You can just cancel this hour, and hour gets cancelled because this this hour is in numerator and this hour is in denominator. Whenever one is same things are in numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. So what you get, 4 twos are, sorry, for 40 twos are 80 kilometer. So this is how I got this kilometer over here. I hope it's very clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for problems on motions. Thanks for watching.